by Harindranath, Chattopadhyay. Poems from the Perfume of Earth. Rain. Now, while I sit and watch the rain, I feel his heart must break to pain at the dim thought that through the years he needs must shed his shower of tears, feeling within his deeps of heart the lonely sorrow and the smart that stirs in each earth-prisoned seed. For well he knows the secret need of things unborn that ache to be, sharers of passing destiny, that they the sooner might attain, for such pale periods of pain, their unimprisonment from seed, with all their inner hunger freed, and fashioned to a flower that yields no shadow to God's shining fields.